Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinola, and today's video I'll be showing you how to go from a dull dry skin like this into a more vibrant glassy skin like this. Alright beauties, if you're interested then you definitely want to keep on watching. Welcome back loves. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. On this channel I share content on beauty, hair and healthy lifestyle, so feel free to join by clicking on the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell beside it. That way you don't miss any videos from me every single week. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back. Alright, this video is going to be an updated skincare routine slash glass skin care routine. Just so you know, my skin is very dry and we're proud of it. Shout out to everyone having a dry skin watching this. Welcome to the party. If you guys have seen my other skincare videos, you're probably familiar with some of the products that I'll be using today. Not all of them. I've been able to update one or two things like I said, and I'm going to be taking you guys right into it. There's no point in wasting time. Alright guys, the first step is to go in with my invigorating scrub. This is a mild scrub. It doesn't feel stony on your face. It's not harsh. It's really mild. You literally cannot even feel the stone inside. Also, I don't use this every day. I only do this like once a week or twice a week. But then for this video purpose, we're going to be using it. I just go in like that all over my face, under my eye, gently. If you guys have seen my previous skincare videos, you must have seen me use a facial brush. Yes, I do use facial brush, but these days I've not really been using my facial brush. That's why I said this video is an updated one, because I haven't been doing some things in my skincare routine these days. I've been keeping it really simple. Alright guys, that is the first step. I use the scrub only once a week, especially when I have makeup on. I've not been using makeup recently that much because the summer is hot. I'm gonna put on mask anyway, so I don't use both of them together. I use the cleansing gel every single day. I use this one once a week, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, this is the cleansing gel. It's really mild, okay, very mild on the face. Apply it on your face while your face is dry or while you have water on your face. I usually prefer to apply while I have water on my face, so. And it does lather a lot, as you guys can see. It's really gentle on the skin. Trying to film my skincare at the sink is a huge mess, because I do it right in the shower. Alright guys, this is my face fresh after washing, and like I said, I don't use the cleansing gel and the invigorating scrub every single day. What I do is I use the cleansing gel every single morning and night. That is my cleanser. That is what I use to wash my face. And then the invigorating scrub, I use it like once a week to twice a week, depending on how many times I use makeup that week. So once I'm done patting my face dry gently, I'm going to go in with my toner. So there is a new trick to get that glassy skin that I saw recently. I can't remember her name, but I'm going to link the video down below so you guys can also check it out. So I'm going to pour my toner on my hand and just go in like so. When you do your skincare, you definitely want to use a toner, and if you have a dry skin, try not to use any harsh toner, like toners with astringents and all that. You don't want to use that. This one is really mild. This toner is really mild. So what I'm going to do differently is, as you guys can see, I'm not using a cotton pad to apply my toner on my face. That's one thing I'm doing differently in this video. Also, I'm going to be applying this toner 7 times. I just got to know that trick. You don't have to apply it 7 times on your face, but if you want that glassy look, try to apply your toner more than once on your face. You guys can see the consistency of this toner. It's really watery, and I'm just gonna go that way and bam. This is the 2nd time, and we are going in for the 3rd time. I guarantee you, if you do this method, you would love the result, but then your toner will be exhausted quickly. The 4th. So your toner helps to balance the pH of your skin, and it prepares your skin for other products that you're going to put on it. So that's a very crucial step in your skincare routine. The 5th step, 6th, 7th. Alright, so this is the end of the 7th step, and as you guys can see, my skin is already looking glassy. It's shining. It's not dry because, like I said, I didn't use any toner with strong astringents. You want to use mild toners, guys, and yeah, I'm loving this. My face just feels so good. As you guys can see, this is better than what it looked like initially. So quick tip, guys, before applying the next thing, you want to always leave about 30 to 60 seconds in between the products that you apply on your face during your skincare. So once I'm done with the toner, I'm going to go in with my facial spray. I've been using this facial spray for everything, my makeup, just to refreshing my face while I do my skincare. I love how it makes my skin feel. It feels really calm on my skin. I love the smell, and it also adds in moisture to my face. Alright, beauties, the next step is to apply our serum. I'll be using this hyaluronic acid with vitamin C, and I got this from Amazon. You guys can check it. I'm going to put a link of all these products down below. So I'm just going to shake it and pump, 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 pump. Look at that. It's a big jelly, but then I'm just going to put it in my skin. It's okay under your eye, so you can apply it under your eye. I mostly apply this at night. That's what's recommended for you to apply it at night. Secret, guys. I actually apply it during the day and at night, and I've gotten absolutely zero reaction from using this. I know it has vitamin C, and usually you don't want to apply vitamin C during the day because you could get burned in the sun and you could react to it. But then this one's really mild. I don't get any reaction. But if you know you have a really sensitive skin, please don't apply this during the day. Apply it at night. While I'm still maintaining my 60 seconds in between the product application, I'm going to apply my lip balm. I've shown you guys this lip balm several times. It has sunscreen. That's why I love it so much. It feels good on my lips and it smells nice. My skin is waking up. Alright, so the next step is to go in with this intense moisturizing cream. I'm just gonna put that amount in my hand. We are very clumsy today. Apologies, man. It's really good for dry skin if you have dry skin. So, your skin might feel a bit tight and flaky, so you always want to go in with your moisturizer after using your serum. This is giving me another level of glassiness. Try not to apply products too close to your under eye, especially when the product says you shouldn't. Like this moisturizer, you shouldn't apply it under your eye. I am already used to applying products under my eye, which is a bad habit. Okay, mommy, I'm loving this. While I wait for this moisturizer to sit in, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow just shaping it up a bit so I don't look like I'm just waking up, you know. Alright guys, I literally just went through 4 steps and my face is going to look this glassy, this glowy for the next 8 hours, 10 hours. All the products I used right now, they really stay in. It doesn't feel like it's clogging up your pores. It feels like you can breathe. It's just amazing. That honestly is the 4 main steps that you need in your skincare routine to get a glassy look. But then I'm just gonna go in with a few more things to just spice up my face. I promise you I'm not going to be applying any makeup. This is not a makeup video and I'm going to stay true to my promise. So this is a lip gloss. I don't consider it a makeup. Now that it's summer, you know, just to have that fresh young look. It's really nice using lip gloss and I could just go out with my face looking like this. Also, due to the fact that we're in summer, you want to be able to use a sunscreen. I haven't found the perfect sunscreen for my face, but I've been using this Neutrogena sunscreen. It's 50 SPF, which ideally is good for women of color, dark skin. 50 SPF is good for your face. I'm gonna take a bit of it and apply on my face. I don't do this every day. I don't mind wearing it on my body, but I don't like wearing it on my face because it makes me sweat. Also, you don't want to apply it too close to your eye. This one doesn't give me white cast. No, it doesn't. Once I'm done with my sunscreen, I go in with my primer. If especially I want to apply makeup. I'm not applying makeup in today's video, but I'm still going to go in with my primer because I always like to give my face a good base before going out in the sun or going out for my day. Even when I don't apply makeup and I go out with just my skin like that, I don't leave my skin bare. So I try to protect my skin. This primer is from Vapor Beauty and I'm going to shake it and apply bam bam bam.
I wish this was easier because it's so illuminating.
So I'm just going to go in with this translucent powder, top things up. This is going to bring down the shine a little bit, okay? But you're still going to have that glassy look. Our face is still looking glassy, still looking glowy, natural face, no makeup. Yeah, this is my natural face, no makeup. Yours says no makeup. So as you guys can see, the translucent powder really sucked things down. Our face is not looking extremely glassy or glowy. It's just still having its glow, it's still having its glassy look, still feels so moisturized, doesn't feel cakey, there's no makeup on our face. No makeup. At this point, everything looks good and I can literally go anywhere like this. Anyway, yeah. So that's it guys for this look. Oh my gosh, my face feels so good. You have no idea. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video or in my other videos. Check them out. Bye.